Hi there, hope you would be well. In today's video, I will provide you with a step-by-step method on how to get any Udemy course for free, even paid one and of any category. And the best part? You can even download the whole course with one click, and all courses are downloadable and viewed without any need of coupon or code. Stay tuned, because this video is going to be exciting. To get any Udemy course for free, you just need to go to the website freecoursesite.com. Yeah, you are right, this is the website that provides every Udemy paid course for free that you can download and watch online. Next, search for any course you like, or you can even go to the Categories tab and browse to the category you like. Now let's just quickly select any course from it. Let's go with this one. Now let me show you something interesting in it. Just scroll down to bottom and, in last, you will be provided with the Udemy link from which it is taken. Let's visit this one by copying and pasting it in browser. Wait till it loads. As you can see, it is a paid course, but you can download freely from that website. Just go back to the website and click on this download button, and this will open a new tab. Yeah, you are right. You need to solve this ads before you can download this course, but there is no need to panic because it is quite simple and takes no time. If you don't know how to solve this CAPTCHA and all, then I will provide you with the video in description, you can watch it. So after passing that CAPTCHA and all, your Udemy course will start downloading, which will look like this one. But wait, the important thing to keep in mind is that this resource is just the torrent file. To extract course from it, you need a software called uTorrent, which is also free, that looks like this one. I had already downloaded and installed it here. To extract torrent file, just open uTorrent and click on this plus icon. This dialog box will open. Browse to the torrent file you downloaded. Mine one is here, select that one and click open. And voila, all the files are here. Just select the files or videos rather, you want to download, set your location, and you are done with it. Next, I recommend not modifying these all other settings, just leave them as they are. Next, click on this button and your selected files will start downloading automatically. Although that may take time, but in last you will have a handful course that you will enjoy learning. That's it. Hope it was easy to understand. If this video helped you, then please don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon next to it, so that I can continue making such interesting videos for you. In last, I would only recommend you, if you got help from these courses and earned money from them, then donate some of it to the teacher who made that course. Also, if you had any query or question, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can get back to you. If you found the video useful, then also like, comment and share it with others. Thanks for watching. We need your support.